Now, if you want to activate your Razer 7.1 surround sound, well, there are a few things that you need to do. So first things first is you may need to download the app itself. So you want to go to Razer's official website and download the 7.1 surround sound software, then install it on your PC. Next is you want to launch your software after installation so you can start the setup process. Now, what you need to do is you want to go and just click on register a new product here and just proceed with the activation process. Now, you just need to type in the code that came with your Razer headset. So, in this case, this unlocks the surround sound feature. And from then on, you just need to log in using your Razer ID or create one if you don't have an account yet. So, also in your PC sound setting, select the Razer headset as the default playback device. And you want to go back into Razer app and customize the surround sound. You want to toggle it on or off and fine tune it if for your games or music or even movies. Now once done, your headset is ready to deliver full 7.1 surround sound whenever you use it. And that's about it. Hopefully this video was able to help you like and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.